The Local Time app is created for Salesforce users and it enables them to easily find the time zone information of a location. The app supports local time for the standard objects, accounts, contacts, leads, cases, tasks, and opportunities. However, you can use the app's API to show local time on other standard and custom objects. In this demo, we will show you how to install and configure the Local Time app for Salesforce. Go to the Local Time. Easy access to global time zones listing on Salesforce AppExchange. Click on the Get It Now button. Select the Salesforce org where you want to install the app. In this demonstration, we will install the app in a sandbox environment by clicking on the Install in Sandbox button. Accept the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox. Click the Confirm and Install button. AppExchange will redirect you to the Salesforce login screen. Enter your login credentials. After successful login, you will be presented with a screen to install the app for different user profiles. We recommend that you select Install for all users option so that the app's functionality is available for all the Salesforce profiles in your Salesforce org. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Select Yes, grant access to these third-party websites checkbox. Click the Continue button. Sometimes, the installation process can take some time. In these cases, you will be presented with this screen. Click the Done button. You will receive an email notification shortly after the installation is complete. You will be redirected to the Installed Packages page in Salesforce. You will see the Local Time app listed in this screen, soon after the installation of the app is completed. After you received the installation succeeded email from Salesforce, refresh this screen and you will see the Local Time app in the list. You are now ready to configure the app. Click on the Salesforce App Launcher menu on the top left of the screen. Type in Local Time to find the Local Time app. Select the Local Time app. Click on the Local Time Config tab to configure the app. Ideally, this tab needs to be visible only to the Salesforce admin. Therefore, ensure that you make this tab visible only to the Salesforce admin profile and invisible to all the other profiles. Click on the Object Settings section. In the Object Settings, you can define the address and phone fields for the supported standard objects, which are accounts, leads, contacts, and events. If you are happy with the defaults shown for the address and phone fields, then you do not have to do anything. Otherwise, you can change them. Click the Save button. This is a very important step to perform after you have installed the app. Therefore, even if you have not made any configuration changes, you need to perform this step after you have installed the app. Doing so ensures that the app is configured correctly. Next, we will demonstrate how you can add the Local Time component to the Leads Lightning Record page. You can repeat the same procedure for accounts, contacts, and for custom objects. Select a sample lead record. Click the Setup icon. Click the Edit Page option. From the Components navigation pane on the left, select the Local Time component. Drag and drop this component in a suitable location on the page layout. Click the Save button to update the changes you made to the page layout. Next, click the Activation button to activate this page. Make any necessary changes in the activation page as you seem fit. Then click the Close button. Now click the back icon located in the top left section of this page. You are back to the lead record page layout. Now you can see the Local Time component showing the local time for this specific lead record. The component utilized the address and phone fields that you have configured earlier in the Local Time Config tab and then performed its lookup logic to show the appropriate time zone information. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. In the demo, we have shown you how to install the app from Salesforce AppExchange, configure the app settings, and then lastly how to add the Local Time component to the Lead Lightning page layout. We hope you have enjoyed this demo. Please feel free to check out our other demo videos to learn more about the Local Time app for Salesforce.